And I think it actually comes with some bloatware, like Word. Those days, like speakers actually like hidden. Yeah, it takes a while to load YouTube. Hey guys, and welcome to Nomadic Dmitry channel. A long time no see. I guess like 2 weeks passed since my last video, maybe even more. But I think today is actually a good reason to meet, because today I've got my iBook G4, just received it basically. And you know guys, I have a few videos about PowerPC platform, and I think you guys love it. I mean, there have been multiple videos about macOS 9, macOS Tiger, and basically like PowerPC platforms in general, right? I always wanted to own something in a portable form like that, because basically we're getting older, the hardware is getting older, right? But I always wanted to have some way of being able to run something like in a portable, compact form, and this is actually great for that, because this computer can also run classic environment, which means I can install like macOS Tiger here. I think it has macOS Leopard installed right now, but if I install something like Tiger plus classic environment, I'll be able to run macOS 9 apps in this portable form. So I think this is really cool. I actually like this computer because I think even the keyboard, by modern standards, I think the keyboard is quite nice. Should be. So let's go ahead and actually unpack it and see. Oh, by the way, recently, just a few days ago, I basically reached 2,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for that. It really motivates me basically to create more videos. Like the more subscribers I see, the more likes I see, it basically motivates me a lot. And like once I saw this number, I thought I must make a video right now. Alright guys, let's go ahead and unpack this one. Let's see. By the way, the price that I paid for this computer was like 90 bucks, along with the shipping, along with the charger, along with basically everything. So I think it's actually quite a high price for that old hardware, but I think maybe it's okay, because I don't know, those days demand for those I guess are high, at least among the enthusiasts, especially iBook G3 guys, because G3 was really cool, beautiful computer, but this one is beautiful as well. Alright, here it is. So here's the charger. Well, I think, yeah, the port is nice actually. I mean, this is before the MagSafe was introduced, guys. But the power brick itself looks very similar to what we have even now. But this one, of course, is like, I don't know, from the really old times. Alright guys, so this is the computer itself. You know, it's actually in quite a good shape. You see, there's no scratches. I mean, it looks very beautiful, like nothing scratched even. I mean, consider this computer is like from 2004. It's like, well, like 17 years, right? And it is nice. But by the way, here's a latch, because before in the computers you need to press that latch to open actually. Okay, so this is how you open it. Whoa, looks beautiful. Alright, what's here? So basically here the battery is user replaceable, and there's a button to see like how much life it has left. It basically illuminates like that. I think it's like 3 bars out of 4, which is cool. So it should actually power up even without the charger. So let's see. Alright, let's open the latch. Password is password. Okay, good to know. Very good password, guys. Alright, let's power up. Okay, yes. Alright, here's the sound. The keyboard actually looks fine. It's not really dirty. Oh, I like the sound actually. Yeah, the keyboard is fine. And the buttons here, guys, I don't know, it feels like something actually physical, like a real buttons. I think it has like 60 gigs hard drive installed right here, which is not a lot, but I plan to replace it with SSD. And take a look here, like 2 speakers. And it's actually clearly visible that those 2 speakers are right here. Those days like speakers actually like hidden. Oh wow, nice background. Alright guys, so here it is, it just loaded. And I think it actually comes with some bloatware like Word, Excel, PowerPoint and all that stuff. I'm planning to like wipe it out. And right, let's see, 67% of battery left. 1.3 gigahertz PowerPC G4, memory just like 500 max, which is not a lot. I plan to upgrade it in the future, I guess. But this, guys, actually looks like something from the early Intel days, early Mac Intel days, because I think I actually saw all those like white plastic kind of MacBooks, and this one is very much like it. I mean, very similar to that kind of feel, and still plastic and all good, but it's beautiful. I actually like it. So it's nice. Apple used to show actually the exact model right here, like iBook G4, like so you exactly know what you're getting, which is good in some way. Alright, applications, what do we have here? I mean, it actually works quite fast, but I still want to replace it with something like more modern. Oh yeah, it actually has 10.4.5 Fox, guys. It actually has the browser to browse the web here. Guys, let's actually check out if the Wi-Fi works, because I think it should not connect to modern networks because it has the old airport module, like old Wi-Fi module. But let's see, because I think like my iMac G4 has problems connecting to the Wi-Fi networks because it has some outdated encryption standard. I think it's WEP or something like that. So, but let's see if actually this one works. Wow, guys, this is actually surprising. It connected to my Wi-Fi network, which is really cool. So let's go ahead and see how the browsing actually works on this old machine. Let's launch 10.4 Fox. It takes a while to load. This is an old machine, guys. But basically this browser is like a port of Firefox for the PowerPC platform. And you know, guys, this one is no longer supported, or I think it basically has the end of life this year. So basically end of this year there will be no support except maybe security patches, but let's see what people come up with. Yeah, let's have it as a default browser. It takes a while to load, guys. It actually loads the Apple website just fine for the most part, and it's not that super sluggish. You can actually use it, and you can actually browse the web like lightweight websites. I would not try something like YouTube, but actually, why not? Let's try it. Yeah, it takes a while to load YouTube. It's really sluggish, guys. I mean, it just takes forever to load, and I think it's actually stuck. Yeah, it doesn't even load it. But the keyboard, guys, I actually like this feel. Keyboard is quite nice. I mean, I like to type on this one. I'm probably gonna use it like as a word processor. Warning, unresponsive script. Yeah, guys, I would not try it, like stop script. I maybe try to debug it in the future, but doesn't seem like it's actually loading anything. Well, this is how it is, guys. Basically, this is an iBook G4, and it's still usable in 2021. I mean, I'm surprised. You can actually use it for like word processing or some like simple tasks. It's still perfectly usable for that kind of basic behavior. But I would not buy it just for the sake of running something modern. But I guess that was never the point, right? We basically buy those devices to run like classic environment, macOS 9 apps, and which is what I'm actually gonna do. I'm basically gonna install the classic environment and macOS Tiger. I'm not planning to preserve the macOS Leopard. I mean, it's slow, sluggish here, it doesn't make any sense. So yeah, this is how it is. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, there will be more videos, and see you soon. Probably I'm gonna have more videos about this specific laptop. Maybe I'm going to replace the hard drive with SSD, so let's see basically. Alright guys, and thank you. Раз, два, три, четыре, пять. Проверка качества звука, как оно записывает. Посмотрим. В общем, вот я, вот так. 1, 2, 3.